Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be doing something that I've been wanting to do for a while, and that is painting a mini mural on my headboard. Now if you guys don't already know, my headboard is still painted from Christmas. It's not Christmas anymore. I need to paint something that's a little more me. So I'm working on the thumbnail sketch right now of like the basic idea of what I want, and I came up with this three-headed person where all three of her heads are merged together. And now I'm further developing that sketch with more detail. To start off your mural, you know what you're gonna need? Some paint. You're also gonna be needing a bunch of brushes. I have this big one. You don't need this big of a one, but I use it so I can paint more space. And you're gonna need a bunch of different colored paint. The brands I use this thick body acrylic. This is my favorite. It's Master Touch Fine Art Studios from Hobby Lobby. I use the normal acrylic from Master Touch, the Liquidate Basics paint, and then the Artist Loft acrylic paint that I got from Michael's. All my paintbrushes just fell. All my paintbrushes just fell on the ground. Bruh. So right now I'm adding my first layer of gesso to my headboard to cover up all of the red and black from Christmas. And I did end up having to do a second coat. I still need to do a second coat, but I think the best way to go about getting this onto the headboard is using the grid method, which if you guys aren't aware of what it is, it's basically what it says. You draw a grid over your drawing and then you make the same grid larger here. If I did every 1 inch on here was like 5 inches up here, then it would help to it's like a 1:5 ratio, I think. I wasn't that good at ratios, so don't come at me in the comments. I mean, I was good at math, but the only two things I really struggled with was ratios and proving a triangle. Like, hey, it's a triangle, prove it. I'm like, 3 sides, 180 degrees, what else do you want? It's a triangle, it's not a quadrangle. Yeah, I was rambling. Second coat time. And the second coat is done. Now we just need to wait for this to dry and then we'll draw the grid on. So let's grid this up. So to kind of tell you guys the math about it, because yes, doing a mural this way does involve a little bit of math, but it's not that bad, at least I don't think so. So on here, I did like an inch intervals for like this. And then I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So each inch is also the same here. So it's gonna be 6.7 inch squares filling up this whole thing. So let's draw our grid on here. So if you guys didn't quite understand that, measure your side-to-side mural area, and my total length was 47 inches, and then I divided that by 7, and then that was how big my squares were. And now I'm just doing my little sketch, trying to get it as close to the original as possible. I did this really cool cross earring, and it's gonna be like all silver looking. Got another one, and then a bridge piercing. So first off with this, I think I'm gonna do a grayscale, do like a little bit darker white all over, just kind of get the tone set and the final touches. Hey y'all, welcome back. Day 2, and I got all this. Today I'm just gonna focus on adding more contrast, more shading, and just trying to, you know, make it look more of a finished piece than just like a little unfinished doodle. So I got all my markers for some more detail work. Got a Sharpie pen for like little doodles, and my water, paintbrushes. And that will be the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like the video. Be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me on the socials for more behind the scenes. And as always, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!